Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video, I will tell you about a very effective homeopathic ointment for your skin infection. So if you have problem of any type of skin infection, like if you have the problem of itching, if you have the problem of rashes, or if you have the problem of fungal infection, or if you have the problem of ringworm, or if you have the problem of urticaria, that this video is going to be very useful for you, because today I will tell you the very effective homeopathic ointment for your skin infection. So in this video I will tell you about the sulfur ointments, its indication, its composition, how to use this medicine, and what are the result of this ointment. So video is very informative. Watch till then, stay with me. Let's get started. The video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my coming videos. Let's talk about the homeopathic ointment, that is sulfur. Today I will tell you the sulfur ointment from the SPL brand, which is very effective and very affordable ointment for the price of 65 rupees and for the 25 grams of packaging. You can buy it from the online or you can buy it from your nearby homeopathic store. Let's talk about what the composition is of this ointment. There is the only sulfur, but the tincture is added with cream base. It is a very effective medicine and very easy to use, non-greasy. Let's talk about what are the indication of the sulfur ointment. You can use this sulfur ointment if you have any types of skin infection, like if you have rashes, or if you have the scabies, or if you have the itching on your skin, or also if you have the fungal infection on your body, on your legs, on your hands. In all this condition you can use this sulfur ointment. Basically the sulfur ointment is a very important homeopathic medicine which is indicated for all types of skin infection, like if you have the any types of chronic skin infection, or if you have the acute skin infection, or if you have the recurrent skin infection. In this condition sulfur acts very well. The sphere of sulfur is on our skin. It is a medicine which is derived from the element kingdom, approved by the Dr. Hahnemann. The sulfur is basically known as the king of antisoric medicine. Sora is that condition. It is an assumption that the every types of disease, like any types of chronic disease or any acute disease, is derived from the Sora. Sora is a mother of all diseases. Then the sulfur is a very effective medicine. It is a king of Sora and it is a deep acting antisoric medicine. This sulfur homeopathic ointments have the antibacterial property as well as it has the antimicrobial property, and it is a very good antiseptic. It heals very well. The indication of the sulfur ointment, you can use this sulfur ointment on your skin infection, like if you have any types of rashes, like if you have the scabies, if you have the itching on your hands, on your feet, and also if you have the eczema on your body, any part of your body, like if you have eczema on your hands or eczema on your legs, in this you can use this. And also if you have the dry skin, very hard skin, and also if you have the deep crack on your skin, in this condition you can use this. And also if you have the problem of fungal infection, in this condition you can also use this sulfur ointment. It can cure your ringworm on your hand, on your feet, on your genitals. In all this condition you can use the sulfur. Talks about how to use this sulfur ointment. You have to use sulfur ointment twice a day, especially at night before sleep. On your affected part, take out a small amount of sulfur ointment on your fingertip and apply on your affected areas twice in a day. Apply the sulfur ointment for 1 to 2 weeks along with your internal homeopathic medicine. You can consult your nearby homeopathic doctor for the better result. So friends, this was the discussion about the sulfur ointment. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next.